Hello friends, today I'm gonna show you how we can install a Visual Studio Code. So let's start. Just type Google and press here. You can here press VS Code. Then press firstlink.com. Here you can see a stable build download for Windows. Just one click here, getting started, and this is desktop. Okay. Here download it, VS Code setup. Now it's downloaded. Just double click here, I accept agreement checkbox and next, and you can see here the path. You can change also this path, but next, and create desktop and action button context and the path. No another checkbox need to checked. So next, then again install. Now let's start installing. Now launch VS Code Studio. Finish. You just need to go on your desktop. Here the desktop icon.